Hello dear students of class 10. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 1 of your Footprints Without Feet book, that is supplementary reader. Chapter number 1 is A Triumph of Surgery, which I am going to explain you today. First of all, we are going to discuss about the title of chapter, Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory and surgery means any treatment. Normally we say surgery is any operation, okay, any surgical treatment is called surgery. Any kind of medicinal treatment can also be known as surgery, okay. So in this chapter we are going to read about one successful surgery, okay, which was done by Mr. Harriot. He is the main character of this story and the narrator also, okay. He is the narrator of this chapter, Mr. Harriot. Mr. Harriot was a veterinary surgeon, means he was a veterinary doctor, and in his neighborhood Mrs. Pumphrey was living, who was a very rich lady. Mrs. Pumphrey was very rich, but she was alone. She had many servants at home, but there was no family member living with Mrs. Pumphrey. She was having one dog. The name of the dog was Tricky. Now who is Tricky? You have to keep in mind, Tricky is the dog of Mrs. Pumphrey, okay. So Tricky was not well actually, and we can say Mrs. Pumphrey was responsible for this only. Tricky the dog was eating so many things which were given by Mrs. Pumphrey. Actually Mrs. Pumphrey was alone and she was over pampering Tricky. She was treating Tricky not like a dog but like a human being. That's a good thing if we show love to our pets and we just treat them like our family member. That's a good thing. But when we do not take care of dog properly like a dog, then the situation becomes bad. Actually Mrs. Pumphrey was giving things to Tricky which were given to any child, which are actually given to any normal child. She was giving cakes, sweet things, chocolates, okay, eggs, sometimes brandy, wine to Tricky. Sometimes in winters to children also little bit, 1 or 2 spoon wine is given, 1 or 2 spoon brandy is given, so that their health can be maintained, okay. So those things Mrs. Pumphrey was giving to Tricky, but she did not know that actually these things were not good for a dog, okay. So as a result what happened, Tricky was getting unwell, he was not able to digest anything, and Mrs. Pumphrey took advice of Mr. Harriot, because Mr. Harriot was a neighbor of Mrs. Pumphrey, okay, and he was a good friend of Mrs. Pumphrey also, and a veterinary surgeon too. So Mrs. Pumphrey talked about Tricky to Mr. Harriot. Mr. Harriot warned Mrs. Pumphrey many times that those things which were given to Tricky were not good for him, but Mrs. Pumphrey did not listen at all. So as a result, Tricky was unwell. How Tricky was treated by Mr. Harriot, that's the story actually. How Mr. Harriot performed the surgery of Tricky actually, okay, or how he treated Tricky. That's the chapter. So let's start reading. I was really worried about Tricky with this time. I had pulled up my car, pulled up means stopped my car, when I saw him in the street with his mistress. Mistress means owner, and I was shocked at its appearance. First of all, who is I here? I is Mr. Harriot, okay. So once Mr. Harriot was traveling, on the way near any park in the neighborhood only, he saw Tricky with its mistress Mrs. Pumphrey. So he saw Mrs. Pumphrey and Harriot on the way, and Mr. Harriot was shocked to see the appearance of Tricky. Tricky was looking very different. How he was looking? Underline this everybody. He had become hugely fat, means he was looking very fat, like a blotted sausage. Sausage is any kind of snack, food which we eat and which is swollen, like puri is there. When we fry it, it becomes swollen, it's blotted. So he was looking like that only. His body was swollen with a leg at each corner. His eyes bloodshot, means his eyes were red, bloodshot means red, and rheumy means watery. Stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaw. Lolled means the tongue was hanging out from his jaw. So the condition of Tricky was not good. He was looking over fat, okay. His eyes were watery and red. So from the eyes only it was looking that Tricky was not well actually, okay. And Mr. Harriot was shocked to see Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. Hastened means hurried to explain. He was so listless. Listless means lazy, Mr. Harriet. So when Mr. Harriet met Mrs. Pumphrey, he asked about Tricky. So Mrs. Pumphrey explained that actually Tricky is becoming so lazy. Okay, he seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition means lack of diet. So Mrs. Pumphrey talked to Mr. Harriet about Tricky, and according to her, Tricky was suffering from malnutrition. Means maybe Tricky was suffering from lack of diet. So according to Mrs. Pumphrey, more diet should be given to Tricky, but she did not know that extra diet was resulting in bad health of Tricky. Okay, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. So she was giving extra food to Tricky. What she was giving? Malt. Malt is a kind of grain. Cod liver oil, which is a fish oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So Mrs. Pumphrey was giving good food to Tricky, but besides this food, she was giving over diet also to Tricky, like malt, cod liver oil. Cod liver oil is very heavy. Its texture is very heavy. Even human beings are not able to digest it properly. But she was giving these things to Tricky, and Tricky was not digesting it. But Mrs. Pumphrey was a kind of crazy lady. She did not think that these are not good for Tricky. Okay. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Now Mr. Harriet is asking Mrs. Pumphrey, have you reduced? Cut down means reduced the sweet things which you were giving to Tricky. Okay, so Mrs. Pumphrey was giving sweet things to Tricky, like chocolates, ice creams, cakes. Okay, and these are not good for dog. One thing keep in mind, chocolate is like a poison for dog. Dogs can't digest chocolate. It has a chemical which is called serotonin, and it is not good for a dog. It's like a poison for dog. But Mrs. Pumphrey did not listen this. Tricky liked to eat it, and she was giving it. Okay, so when Mr. Harriet asked that have you cut down the diet of Tricky, then what did she say? She said, oh, I did for a bit, means I reduced little bit, but he seemed to see so big that I had to relent. Relent means can't stop. Okay, he does love ice cream, cakes and chocolates, so, and I can't bear to refuse him. So what is the meaning of these lines? It appears Tricky liked these things. That is why Mrs. Pumphrey was giving chocolates, cakes and other sweet things to Tricky, because Tricky liked to eat it. He was never refusing it.